Are you an online teacher looking for ways to bring in extra money? As someone who has generated over 7 streams of income in the past year, I'm excited to share with you today 5 ways that online teachers can make more money and build passive income for themselves. First, I will explain why it's important for you to have multiple streams of income, and then I'll jump into 5 ways that you as an online teacher can make extra money and build passive income. Hey, I'm Laney, an online teacher and business coach. I help online teachers establish successful online teaching businesses with strategies on lesson planning, marketing, and technology. I am a 6-figure entrepreneur who has taken my online teaching business and expanded my income by adding on coaching, selling digital resources, and so much more. If you're interested in learning more, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be up to date every time I release new content. Okay, so before we jump into the 5 ways that you can make extra money and build passive income as an online teacher, let's talk about why that's important. Besides needing extra money to make medicine balls at home, I also need extra income just for security purposes. Just like with any job, an online teacher isn't guaranteed anything when it comes to a job position. Whether you're working as an online ESL teacher or with a platform like Outschool, you're not guaranteed to keep your position with them forever. Many things in life happen. Again, this is with any job position. In order to make sure that you never have all of your eggs in one basket, I think it's important for you to generate multiple streams of income. Now, it's important to note though, that when I started generating or creating these other streams of income, I was not seeing an immediate profit. It has taken time to build these streams of revenue, but now every month I bring in a passive income from multiple things, and it allows me to feel more secure in my position working from home as an online teacher. And I'm also able to purchase all of my ingredients to make medicine balls without feeling guilty. P.S. If you want to know more about how to make your own medicine balls at home, make sure that you check out my Instagram. I have a highlight called Medicine Ball that you can watch exactly how I make my own from home. So let's get started and jump into the 5 ways that online teachers can make extra money and build passive income. So the first of 5 ways for online teachers to make extra money and build passive income is by selling their digital resources. If you especially are an outschool teacher and you're creating your own resources to use in your classes, the easiest way for you to bring in extra money is by selling the work that you've already done. There are platforms such as Teachers Pay Teachers, Boom Learning, Etsy, so many ways that you can sell these digital resources that you've created to share with other teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers allows you to sell your digital resources so that you can make a profit off of what you've already created in your classrooms. These can be things like worksheets, coloring sheets, lesson plans. That's another way that you can profit, is by selling your lesson plans digitally on Teachers Pay Teachers. You could also do this if you have your own blog or website. That's something that I do, and it helps me to bring in not a huge amount of income, but if I've already created it, I might as well sell it, right? So that other people can utilize it. So Teachers Pay Teachers, your own blog or website. If you make boom cards through Boom Learning, that's another easy way for you to bring in income. Now, that's one way to do it, is by selling your digital resources that you've created for your classroom. Another way that I've utilized digital resources to bring in an income is by creating resources that teachers can use to help them in their online classrooms. For example, I have a Nearpod resource for online teachers so that they can purchase it, and then it allows them to share it with the parents in their classes, so the parents easily know how to set up their students with Nearpod and Zoom at the same time. It provides the teachers with a no-hassle way to explain to parents what to do, and they've purchased it from me. I probably profited the most off of that digital resource, and I sell it only on my website. So this is something that is another option. Instead of only using things that you create for your online classroom, you could create digital resources that are helpful for teachers in general. The second way that online teachers can make extra income is by affiliate marketing. There are so many ways that you can earn profit from affiliate marketing. Many online teachers have affiliate links for things like TESOL certificates, Amazon affiliate links, and so much more. I even use affiliate links for programs that I use often, such as Canva and Kajabi. Canva is something that I use on a daily basis for every aspect of my business, whether it's for online teaching, coaching, creating digital resources, anything like that. I utilize it so much. So I have an affiliate link for anybody who wants to sign up to use Canva. I then earn an affiliate commission for those who use my link. I also have an affiliate link for a program called Kajabi. This Kajabi link is for the platform that I use to really house and run my entire coaching business. All of my courses and online offers that I have are housed in this platform, and they are amazing. And I really stand by everything that they've done for my business, which is why I am an affiliate for them. So I have a link for that as well. So just by sharing these links on platforms such as YouTube and Instagram, I'm able to receive a commission from those who utilized my link to purchase these platforms, or from any products that they see that they like on my Amazon shop or things like that. Check the description of this video and you can see a full list of affiliate links that I use to bring in passive income. The third way online teachers can make extra money is by starting an Etsy shop where you sell physical or digital products. You can also do this through a Shopify account as well. So Etsy or Shopify are two ways that you can sell any type of digital or physical product. Now, there are a number of things that online teachers have the ability to sell. Many online teachers sell physical products such as t-shirts, mugs, stickers, keychains, digital art, backgrounds for online classrooms. The list goes on and on. I know that there are a number of online teachers who have seen a lot of success by selling physical products through Etsy and Shopify. So if that's something that interests you, creating a Shopify or Etsy is an excellent way for you to bring in another form of income. The fourth of 5 ways for online teachers to make extra money and build passive income is by starting a YouTube channel. Obviously, this is not something that happens overnight. In order to monetize with YouTube, you do have to meet a few requirements to start getting paid, which would be that you need to have 1,000 followers and also 4,000 watch time hours. This did not happen overnight for me. It did take a little less than a year for me to be able to start monetizing with YouTube. But now that I consistently make passive income because of those who have watched my videos over and over and over again. So even when I'm not actively creating content for YouTube and putting out videos, I'm still earning an income from them. And that's because people are watching videos from the past that I have created and shared. Recently, I took a 2-month break to really work hard on my YouTube channel. I was in a coaching program with Hey Danny J. And so for 2 months, I didn't even make one single YouTube video, but I consistently made an income for those 2 months because people were watching videos that I had previously made. In order to create a YouTube channel, you do not have to be anyone special. I am just like any other human out there. I just decided to utilize YouTube's platform to be able to better serve my audience and to share my expertise with others so they could see the type of success that I was seeing. So if you've ever considered creating a YouTube channel to share your own expertise, I think it's a fantastic and easy way for you to start building passive income. And more than that, a consistent passive income. And finally, the 5th way for online teachers to make extra money and build passive income, and my favorite way, is by creating an online offer. Just like I have done with my coaching business, I now offer courses, memberships. I'm about to roll out a one-on-one coaching and mastermind offers, and these have allowed me to see a giant increase in my income. Online coaching is an excellent way for you to be able to share your expertise with an audience and bring in a significant amount of revenue. Just like with YouTube, I am no different than anyone else. I just decided that I was going to share my expertise by offering it in an online offer through a membership. And now I have a course. And just like I said before, now a one-on-one coaching and mastermind coming out. So if you are an expert at something and you've seen success in some way or another in your career or your personal life, you have the ability to share your expertise with others through trainings as an online offer. A couple of examples would be, I have my team membership. This is a monthly subscription where teachers can join and I share with them strategies on lesson planning, marketing, and technology for them to be able to see the most success with outschool so they can start to bring in more and more income because they're getting more bookings. Another example is that I also have an online course called the Online Teacher Tech Guide, and this is where I share my expertise and knowledge about platforms such as Nearpod, Boom Learning, ManyCam, Google Slides, and Canva. So with this, I'm able to offer it to others. I've already filmed it, created it, and now people can purchase it so that they can learn how to utilize these platforms in their online classrooms as well. Another way for you to create an online offer is by selling something that you're an expert on to parents. A great example of this is Handwriting Without Tears. This is an online course where parents and teachers can purchase this online training to give proper instruction to students on handwriting skills. So that's another great example. It doesn't have to be to online teachers. It could also be to parents, especially if you're online teachers. You have a great opportunity to be able to give parents something where they can do it at home with their children and to see the success that they would in the classroom. So there are tons of options when it comes to sharing your expertise through an online offer, such as a course or membership. In fact, if you have an interest in creating an online course, membership, one-on-one coaching offer, whatever it is, I have a virtual workshop coming this Friday, February 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time that I would love for you to join. This virtual workshop is all about how to create and structure an online course. So if you feel you have an expertise in something, we're going to go over from beginning to end how to create the content for an online course and then also how to structure it in an effective way so that your students see results every time. So we have now learned about the 5 ways that online teachers can make extra money and build passive income. And hopefully now you have a little more clarity on ways that you can bring in extra income each month. Next week's video will be how to create a lesson plan for online teachers. Until then, make sure that you check out these 2 videos on how to better serve your students in your online classroom. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.